Welcome back, violinists. So today we're going to do Mary Had a Little Lamb version 2. So let's do a little check. So we've got the treble clef. Yes, so we're playing in the violin key, the key of the violin, a treble clef. So then we've got three sharps. So which ones are they? Can you recognize them? So we've got F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. That means that any note that's an F, any note that's a C, any note that's a G is going to be sharp. So we have to watch out for that. In this particular piece, and because I want to help you, we have C sharps and C sharps. Okay, there's no F sharp and no G sharp, so you don't have to worry about them, but just telling you, okay, you need to worry about them in the future when you have a very long piece, and circle the notes that are going to be sharp. So in this case we've got to worry about C sharp, so our finger will be basically here on the second. A2 will be far away, so C natural, C sharp goes on the dot on your line on the violin. Sometimes I put dots on my students' violin. So we've got all the letters written down, so it should be fairly easy. I'm trying to make you use the A string all the time, as you notice. So you might be wondering, why can't I just, instead of doing A4, do E0? You can, but I don't want you to. Okay, so I want you to train. You know, a lot of students, they don't want to do the fourth finger. They're a little bit lazy. They can't reach, or whatever reason there is. So they go then back to E0. I don't want you to use it. I want you to do this whole entire piece on the A string. Okay, so there's a purpose. And there will be a purpose in many books that you use in the future. The editor will do certain things so that you stick to them, and that you stretch your hand, you stretch your fingers. You know, it's for certain reason that I make you do things. So then the next thing, after the sharps, we've got 2, 4. What does that mean? 2 crotchets in every bar. Okay. And the next question is, do we have any quavers? Yes, we have quavers. As a matter of fact, they're almost all quavers. So if we've got quavers, instead of 2 crotchets in every bar, we're going to count 4 quavers in every bar. And why? Because that makes it so easier, because we've got 4 notes in almost every bar, so it makes it so much easier to hear the metronome 4 times, right? So 4 quavers in every bar. So we've got the metronome at 50. Feel free to go fast and slower. Generally go a little bit slower. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to do a count in.